What's going on, YouTube? It's Friday. It's dark in here. Let's see what I got in the mail. All right, so how's everyone doing? I got this lighter today. I sold my prior SD DuPont lighter that I picked up from, I believe, Steve, which is from Empire Precious Metals, one of his coin dealers. And I found one of these on eBay and picked it up from a jeweler. They had on the listing, I think they had this listed for like $150, but they're like, it doesn't really work. But I offered them $100 with free shipping, and they sent it on over. So appreciate that jeweler. Where are they out of? Out of California, San Diego, David Levy and Sons. I really appreciate the good deal on this. So anyways, this particular lighter is going to need some work, so I'm going to do a video on that. I had to order a Flint and then also pump it with some more gas. So I'll do a separate video on that. But anyways, let's get to the coins. So I've got a particular type of bottle holding up this entire mail because I believe I know what came in the mail. So anyways, let's see what's in this one. I kind of know what this stuff is. I have not looked at it yet, so you're going to get my straight up honest opinion of each item I open up. All right, so item number one. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, this is the 1897 San Francisco Mint. It's kind of a key date, Morgan silver dollar. And it has really nice breast feathers. It's kind of weird. Like, what I liked about this coin when I saw it online is it looks like Liberty is like stamped here right above Liberty's ear from these like just chomp marks. Again, I don't know if that was done with another Morgan. I mean, it looks like the edge of another Morgan, but I mean, seriously, like someone was slamming these back in the day right after these came out of the mint. So let me cut this out. So here's a little trick, guys. Your other coin channels aren't going to recommend this, but like, how do you take this out without pulling the coin through the staples and just scraping the crap out of the coin? You just take a little razor blade, cut on the plastic, not on the coin, and watch. Popola, here comes the coin. I can't stand this old technology. First of all, staples rust. They'll scrape your coin, and they just, I don't know, they get gross. Like, there's too much stuff where bacteria and stuff can get onto. So I'm not a huge fan of those. All right, so here's the actual coin itself. Nice looking coin. I didn't pay a lot for this. I think I paid like $60. I'm going to ask like 85 on eBay. It'll sell quick. I just thought the marks on the face were kind of unique. You don't really see Morgans, even though like definitely detracts from the value or whatever. But this guy has nice breast feathers, a little bit of toning in the upper corner. Really nice coin. And you can always tell Morgans are real when you look at the edges and there's no border. So 1921 will have like an actual border along the edges, and these older ones definitely don't. So that's a nice pickup. Appreciate that seller. Working with me on that one. I think he had a like 65 or something. I'm like, hey man, we take 60 with free shipping. All right, let's see what's in the box. Let me zoom back out. So this particular seller had an interesting package deal. It was a 1904 Philadelphia Morgan, which is kind of a key date, and a 1994 ASE all-in-one auction. So I don't know if the person that bought this was 90 years old and wanted something from those years. But this is looks like Littleton style. So take a peek at this. Oh, nice looking Morgan. Again, I'm just looking through the camera on my phone, like you guys are. This actually is really, really nice. Let's take out the back. Nice breast feathers for a 1904. These weren't, oh, it's an O. Okay, I thought it was a Philadelphia. That'd be a little different story. It'd be like a $250 coin in this condition. But It's a common date, 1904-0. Very nice example. These are considered mint state in this type of condition. The fields are very clear, and the breast feathers are very rarely strong on these 1900 coins. So this is actually a nice BU 1904 all day long. So easily a $65, $75 coin all day long. I picked this one up for $42.50 with free shipping. So really happy about this because you can't get crap on eBay or at your local dealer for 42 bucks that doesn't look like caca or total poop. And then I also got this guy here, which should be the 1994 Silver Eagle. It's got a nice job packaging these. So this must have been how he got them from Littleton. If you guys aren't familiar with Littleton, they are a company. They still sell coins now, but this looks like it's something from them or something that someone bought on TV. So let's take a look at this 1994. These are common, pretty common or well known to have sometimes milk spotting. There's a little bit of marks here on the sun, but overall a nice BU coin. Yeah, a little spots here and there, but again, very nice coin. I don't think I can get. Yeah, this is actually sealed. It's weird. So like, it feels or looks like an NGC holder, but it's definitely not the same plastic quality. Like I could crack this with my hands. You can't really do that with an NGC unless you're strong. So again, I thought you could open these, but these are all sealed. So I don't know, guys. Is this Littleton? Is this like Coins TV? What is this stuff? It's some kind of package deal. I bet you someone paid a lot of money for this back not too long ago. Maybe it was in the 90s when someone bought this package, like, oh, 90-year program or 100-year program. No, is it 100 years? No, that's 90 years. Do some math, Shy. Anyways, I got each of these for $42.50, so $85 for the pair. They are sealed in these slabs. They do have these. These are old, man. Like this is stuff that this type of foam is like the type of foam I remember as a teenager. Used to come with my lead figures and stuff. But I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is Littleton or if this Home Shopping Network, like what this is. But like even the label's like kind of tilted. They're definitely authentic. I can just tell by the way they look. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I crack these open and just sell them raw, or keep them like this? Like, is this even considered any type of value? I don't know. Interesting stuff. At least they're nice coins. Again, $42.50. I ain't complaining. And he shipped it in a box. He did only charge $5 for shipping, and a lot of sellers make this mistake. It's $9.85. Plus, if you don't have this box like lying around, go ahead and find one of these boxes at the store or the post office. They'll charge you a couple bucks for a box. So I appreciate them only charging $5 for shipping. So if you guys ever complain like, oh, free shipping, I will never pay shipping for my coins. Guys, it costs like $3.50 plus the cost of the envelope to ship something anywhere. So $5 is nothing. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Let's see. Okay. Oh, yeah, I know what this is. This is something pretty interesting. I didn't know like this stuff existed, but I started seeing... Oh, I know what I did. I did like a search on eBay, and I was like just looking up Rattlers. I was like bored. And then like these came up as one of the least expensive Rattlers. I'm like, what is this crap? So check this out. I don't think a lot of people have seen these because you probably would have to been a dealer back in the day and like go to an actual coin show. And I asked Keith from Coin Crew about these as well while he was during his chat. Let's take it out of the bag here. So what I was told is that when PCGS first came to market, they wanted to sell obviously their services to dealers and people at coin shows and get their opinion. So this is one of their very first samples. They all have the same reference number. It's a fake number up top. I've seen some online that just have a bunch of zeros, so not sure why this number pertains to anything. You know, like why did you end it in 23? I think PCGS came out in the late 80s, so maybe they were big fans of Michael Jordan. Who knows? What do you guys think? 7 000 and then 23. Again, there's a ton. There's others listed online for this, but anyways, they used a real silver dime, which I thought was interesting. There are like other samples, like so anytime PCGS or NGCs come out with like different looking labels or holders, I guess they hand them out as samples to dealers and at coin shows. But this obviously was one of the first that PCGS sent out. So again, I'm not a big fan of slabs. I do prefer raw coins, but this is kind of basically like buying a little piece of history. So I wonder how many of these slabs do exist. There are there's probably a handful listed on eBay. I feel I got a good deal on this one. I picked this up for 39 bucks. The dime itself's worth at least $2.10 junk silver or whatever junk silver is going for. But the fact that this is a Rattler, I think something like this actually will go up in value. And what I really liked about this one, it wasn't like too badly scratched. There's quite a few of these listed, and they're so bad they can like barely make out the coin that's on there. And you can tell like no one's listed this for sale. So there's like no glue from an old sticker or price tag on it. So I've never had one of these in hand or seen one at a local coin shop. So I think it's cool. Let's zoom in on the dime a little bit. It's actually a nice looking dime. Again, nothing crazy, but at least it's silver. And I noticed like the newer ones, they put the zinc penny in there. So it's like they don't even want to put anything of value when they're handing these out. And again, I don't know if they charge for these or whatever, but a cool little piece of history. So I'll be listing this, but I'm happy to have it and check it out in person while I have it listed in my store. I don't know what I'm gonna list it for, but you know, maybe I'll make $10 or something on it. Who knows? All right, and then the reason I have this holding up everything. This is obviously a Coke bottle, but it's a Mexican Coke. So you can buy these in Chicagoland. We have obviously a huge Hispanic population. And the reason I have that holding up everything, which I think I'm going to keep in my light box here just to hold stuff, is for a piece of silver that I purchased. And let's see what they gave me. Oh, here it is. Oh, nice little capsule. I didn't think this was supposed to come with a capsule. So what I got from eBay is a 1986, what they call the Libertad. And this is the older design. It's a 1 ounce pure silver. I don't think they made a lot of these, but this is a very, very nice example. I actually got this for $36 from eBay, which I think is a good price because normally a 1986 Mexican Libertad, I believe, goes for $50. And nice of the seller to include an actual capsule. Yeah, I'm probably not going to get that open with my fingernails. So if you ever want to learn how to open up a capsule and you don't have long fingernails at the time of attempting to open, what you do is you take a razor blade and you just wiggle it in there and then it pops right open. Don't take a screwdriver. You'll damage the coin. Yeah, let's weigh this to make sure it is a full ounce. I don't handle a lot of Mexican silver, and I very rarely purchased it off of eBay because everyone wants so much money for it. So let's see what this weighs. It should weigh 1 ounce. You guys aren't going to be able to see it. Yep, 1 troy ounce. So that's a good sign. And then let's do one more test. Again, I'm not 100% sure what these are worth, but I know they're worth more than 36 bucks. So I'll have to do some research, but I don't know. I was asking $60 like something ridiculous, or 55, making like 10, 15 bucks on one piece of silver. I don't know. So let's take a look. Oh, interesting edges. I did not know that. It's funny, like everyone always forgets there's actually 3 sides of a coin. These things are chunky. So Libertad, there's no actual edges. Independencia. Y. Libertad. So liberty and independence. And it's not magnetic, which is good. See, this is a magnet. So that's a real good sign. So I believe this to be authentic. So here's the coin out of the capsule. And I know everyone like downplays the eagle, but there's a big premium on the Mexican Libertads, and there's a reason they did not make a lot of these. I think one of their key dates, they only made like 50,000 of them, or 55,000. I believe that's in 1990 something, maybe 93, 95, one of those years. Again, I don't have a lot of experience with these, but I do know their premiums are way higher. They're actually one of the highest in the industry out of all the world silver coins, and the reason is they just didn't make a lot of them, but very beautiful design. So I think they did a nice job with this. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and everyone have a good rest of your day.